The stinking passion flower.
Oh, we love this flower. It makes a stink when you disturb its leaves.
Sounds lovely. So, what's the plan?
We're going to disturb its leaves.
Hooray!
Careful, kids. That flower looks extremely stinky.
Don't worry, Sam. The stinkier, the better, right? Love that flower funk. Got it. Huh? Whoa.
Kid, are you okay?
I'm fine. Just great.
Not a match. But I am living for this lemon scent.
Okay, I know the first two suspects weren't matches, but that means it has to be this third one. Oh, please let it be this third one.
What was that?
Nothing. Oh, look, there he is. A stink beetle.
Such a big stink from such a small animal. Very impressive.
Quick, follow that stink beetle.
Look out!
Almost got it.
Hey, quit following me!
Did you get a stink sample?
Yep, it's all over me.
What? How is it not a match? That was our last suspect.
Don't worry, Sam. Let's just take a deep breath. Oh, I can't take this anymore. I want this smell off of me. Ugh, this water smells even worse.
There's some kind of film on the water. Looks stinky. And it leads that way.
Is it just me, or is the smell getting stronger?
Hello?
Of course! It's a skunk frog!
A skunk frog.
Yep! A skunk frog's skin is covered in super smelly slime to protect themselves from predators.
They're the smelliest frogs in the world, and they are extremely rare. Can we have your autograph?
Sure?
It's a match. He's our stinker, all right.
But I thought skunk frogs only lived in the rainforest. What are you doing here?
My wife laid her eggs on land, like all mama skunk frogs do. And it's my job to carry our babies back to the stream where we live.
Dad! Are we there yet?
Not yet. But I took a wrong turn and got lost. Could you give me directions to the nearest stream?
We'll do you one better.